This is the third year of Attitude of Gratitude. The last 2 years we planted trees. In the first year we planted over 1000 trees in our showroom, and we are happy to say that those trees are well and thriving, are being taken good care of showroom managers. And we have distributed over 1 lakh saplings to our customers, and the last year we have distributed methi and tulsi seeds to our customers. And along with that, we started the year with leaders of all faith talking about love, peace, tolerance and acceptance. This year, as we increase our showrooms across India, we realize how lucky we are to have our karigars, especially those who in the middle of technology and growth are managing to hold on to our culture, our art forms. This year, Attitude of Gratitude is about thanking all those karigars across different fields to maintain and carry on with our traditions.
এই যান্ত্রিক যুগে শিল্পায়নের জগতে হারিয়ে যাচ্ছে বাংলার কিছু শিল্প। কাঁসা শিল্প, শোলার কাজ, হাতে গড়া সোনার গয়না, মাটির কাজ, পাট শিল্প, ঐতিহ্যে ভরা এই শিল্পকলা আজও অস্তিত্বে আছে শুধু কয়েকজন কারিগরের হাতে। তাদের প্রতি জানাই আমাদের আন্তরিক কৃতজ্ঞতা।
So thank you so much for holding on to your craft despite the many challenges that you face. We are truly at Senco Gold and Diamonds grateful to you.